Go to Pixlr.com, notice that there is no E in Pixlr, and then choose Pixlr E for the editor. This editor is a browser-based application, and so you will not need to sign up to use this. Open your image file, and then select Full HD Resolution to get started. You'll notice tools along the left-hand side of your canvas, a menu bar along the top, and then various other details along the right-hand side, the most important of which will be your Layers panel. The first thing to do is to cut out your image from the background. Click on the lock to edit this background layer. Unless you are accurate at using your trackpad to draw and to cut, I would use the Polygon Lasso tool. This tool allows you to work in increments by creating a dotted line around your image. Each time you click, it sets down a point that connects the dotted line. You can get straight lines and sharp corners easily, but it's rather tricky to go around rounded shapes. Keep your points closer together to achieve these challenging lines. If you make a mistake, you can press Option Escape on a Mac to undo a point. Make sure to close the shape by ending up where you started. You'll notice that the dotted line will start blinking. Press Command-C, Command-V to copy and paste onto a new layer. You can clean up your cutting job by using the eraser. To work more easily with the eraser, you may want to change the color of the background. Uncheck the existing background layer by clicking on the eye, create a new layer that's empty, then fill with a contrasting color. Something different, like pink, would do. Choose the eraser tool, and then choose the appropriate size that would work for your purposes. It may also help to zoom into your image a little bit more, so that you can erase more precisely. Now this step may not be necessary because your object may be small enough that you don't notice these details in the final work. Once you are happy with your cutting job, you can deselect the pink layer and the image will exist on a transparent background. You can save this image as a PNG, which will allow you to use this without a background. Or, as I will show, you can combine this with another image right away to start playing with and developing your ideas for this project. To open up another image in this project window, go to Layer and Add Image as Layer. Choose the new image to bring into this project. The image is added as a new layer separate from your previous image. Notice how you are free to manipulate each layer independently from one another. You can rotate and resize a layer pretty easily. I noticed that with my camera image, it's still hard to see on top of this background. I can do some minor adjustments to it to make it stand out. Make sure that the layer you want to edit is selected in the Layers panel. For instance, in my case, the camera layer. Then choose Adjustment in the top menu, and I've chosen to adjust the brightness settings to brighten up the camera. Another step that I can take is to darken the background instead, the one with the new image on it. I can play with this until it's close to what I hope for. For the sake of this demo, I'm happy enough with how things are looking. Make sure to save your work as a PXZ file, that is a Pixlr project file, which will help preserve your layers and allow you to work from where you left off in a later session.